So EVS 2, Environmental Studies 2, lesson number 5, Shivaji's Education Revision. So in this lesson, there are many subtopic or many points. What are these points? Beginning of Shivaji's education, rejuvenation of Pune, achievements of Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji's education. So what we will do, we'll start with the two topics. First, I'm going to explain you in short beginning of Shivaji's education, rejuvenation of Pune. Then we will do achievements of Dadaji Konde, Shivaji's education, that 2 points. Then we will do what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. That is the big point. So that we will do. And then we'll in the third part, we are going to complete the new regime of Shivaji and Shivaji's marriage. Okay. So first we'll start with beginning of Shivaji's education. Beginning, that is starting of Shivaji's education studies. Shaji Raje was a Sanskrit scholar himself, and he had a lot of scholars and artists at his Bangalore court. He selected very talented, very intelligent, and good teachers to appoint Shivaji Maharaj, to teach Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji's education started at the age of 7 years. And Shivaji learned how to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad. He also learned different skills. He also learned different skills. That is, he also became expert in war and administration. He learned to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and dandapatta. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shaji Raje on a mission to defeat the states of the Nayakas, that is local head in Karnataka. Before set out upon the mission or journey, Shaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. With them, he sent elephants, horses, and infantry, means soldiers, a treasury, money, a flag, also trusted, believed ministers, brave generals, bold and well established popular generals, men, and well known or famous teachers. In the beginning of Shivaji's education, what happened? Shaji Raje was a scholar of Sanskrit language, and Shaji Raje appointed many intelligence teachers for Shivaji. And Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad on his own. And many appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji also to teach reading, writing, horse riding, wrestling, use of swords, and dandapatta. Shivaji Maharaj began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad on his own. He also learned many warfare, that is, fighting technique. Shaji Raje had appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, that is, to fight, to use swords, and dandapatta. Dandapatta is a iron-bound bamboo stick. And Shivaji Maharaj, at the age of 12, became educated with different branches of learning and arts. Adil Shah sent Shaji to conquer means to defeat the Nayakas, that is the local head. And Shaji sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. Now, rejuvenation of Pune. Rejuvenation of Pune means regeneration or recovery of Pune. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days, which he had spent on Shivneri Fort. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally destroyed. Devastated means destroyed by Shaji Raje enemies. Properties were damaged. In properties come everything: land, house, things, wealth, belongings, etc. Everything was damaged. Houses were broken down, temples had fallen down, and all the people were very frightened, scared, and they ran away from their villages. Fields had become barren. Barren means dried up, sukha. Thick forest had grown everywhere. Wolves were roaming in the countryside, that is, in the village, and Pune was totally destroyed and disordered. When the people living around came to know that Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Jijabai called all of them and assured, means she has made them sure, or she has comforted them that they would be safe in Pune. Thus, people started settling in Pune, and the temple, broken temple also repaired, and in the temples worship start began morning and evening. Thus, the town was again throbbing, means it was full of with the people, and Pune was totally changed or transformed. So, this was the 2 points which I have teached, which I have explained you. So, any doubt? I have explained you already. This is short revision. So, any doubt? Yes, Purva, what is your doubt? Purva, what is your doubt? Okay, Aradhya, no doubt. Very good. Yes, Dandpatta is an iron rod type, iron bound, which they put in the waist. It can be bended like talwar only, but it can be bended. Very long it is. Collapsed, I said, no, Purva. Fallen down, fallen, collapsed. Temples ऐसे धस गया था, गिर गया था. Anyone else? My voice is not coming. Shivaji Maharaj born in Shivneri Fort, that we have learned in the previous lesson. This is lesson number 5th. Okay. Skilled means expert, educated, experted or educated. Yes, you can hear me clearly. No, those who cannot hear me, please check your net connection. Might be net issues from your side. First only I said, please cooperate. Enemies, dushman, rivalries. Anything else? We shall proceed further. Yes, children, we should proceed further. Yes, Ananya, what is your doubt? Ananya, what is your doubt? No doubt, let's start next. Yes, because this way we will pass the time and when we will do the revision. Today is the last day, you all know, no? Then you are having 3 days holiday and from Monday your exams are starting. So instead of wasting time, let us move further. Let me complete short revision of explanation and then we'll do the revision of question answers, fill in the blanks. Okay? Endless means no end. No end. Not ending. Achievements of Dadaji Kondev, that is performance or effect, what he has done. When Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana Fort. Subedar means officer. He was the officer of the Kondana Fort. He was strict. I hope you all know what is the meaning of strict. Efficient, well planned, and honest. Honest means sincere and a strict disciplinarian. Strict about his rule. He offered with devotion. Who? Dadaji Konde. Dadaji Konde served with loyalty. At about this time, a big vada means residence, was built in Pune by the orders of Shaji Raje. And that vada or residence came to be known as Lal Mahal. To encourage means to inspire or to cheer the peasants, labor or small farmers to till means to up to their lands. Dadaji gave them concession, discount in the land tax for a few years. He who, Dadaji Konde, offered them prizes for destroying the wolves which infested, means which has spread over the countryside village. Dadaji Konde has offered prizes for destroying the wolves which have overspread the village and harassed and troubled the peasants, laborers or small farmers. Many wolves were killed. He raised means he increased peasant patrols. He increased labor guard to protect life and property from gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. Thus, Dadaji Konde fixed land revenue, that is interest or gain, according to the quality of the soil and made the people happy. Shivaji's education. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jijabai. Means Jijabai used to guide everything to Shivaji Maharaj. While returning from Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied, means they have also joined by eminent means well-known or famous teachers sent by Shaji Raje. This teacher taught Shivaji Maharaj many sciences, branches of learning, and languages. Shivaji acquired means gathered or gained the knowledge of excellent administration, that is outstanding management, war sorry, war tactics, that is war plan of method, fort architecture, that is fort construction, selection of horses and elephants, ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories, and many other things. Shivaji's progress means development. Shivaji's development in education made happy to Jijamata very much. So children, this was the two main points, that is the achievements of Dadaji Konde and Shivaji's education. Okay, up till now we have completed 4 points. So we'll move, yes, no doubts, very good children, because this is the third or fourth time I'm explaining you this lesson. Each time I've told you the meaning also. Still, if you have want any doubt, simple, you can ask me. But don't waste the time. We have to proceed further. Good. Very good. You all understood, no? Each points. Any word meaning you want, please write it, or we should move further. Okay? No doubt. So we should proceed further, children. Sorry. Okay, we will proceed further. Now, next will be what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. Hmm? That I will explain, and then last two together. That is the new regime of Shivaji and devastated, destroyed. Devastated, and don't ask me previous point, beta. This is now I explained the achievement of Dadaji Kunde and Shivaji's education. From there, any doubt, then ask. Sorry. Okay, so we will move to the next point. Our next point is what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. Jijabai was no ordinary woman. She was the daughter of the mighty. Mighty means powerful. She was the daughter of the powerful Sardar Lakujirao Jadhav of Sindhkhed and the wife of brave and valiant Shaji Raje. Brave, bold, valiant, fearless, without dharna. Dharna nahi bilkul. Ekdam bold and valiant Shaji Raje. Who? Jijabai had inherited, means received. She had received the knowledge of politics. Politics, you know, that is about all government and all. Warfare means fighting. From her infancy, infancy means from her babyhood, early childhood, means she has received the knowledge of politics and fightings from her early childhood, means when she was from babyhood, that time only she has received all this. In her was witnessed means in Jijabai was seen, or it was observed, the confluence means joining of the martial tradition. Martial tradition means soldiery type, army type lady she was. She was having the habit of martial tradition. And the famous houses of the Jadavs and Bhosles. She was from the Jadavs houses, and after marriage she came to the Bhosles family. She was a freedom loving person, means she was independent person, self rule, with a great sense of pride, means with a great sense, means feeling, with a great feeling of joy and satisfaction. She had learned through bitter experience. Bitter means sharp. She has learned through sharp experience that however much a Maratha Sardar displayed, means showed, she has seen this, she has experienced this, that however, if Maratha Sardars are showing their bravery, valor means bravery, then also it was not appreciated, means it was not respected in the courts of the Sultan. Sultan never used to respect the Maratha Sardars bravery and courage. She had valiantly, means fearlessly, boldly faced the shock of her father's murder in the open court at the instigation, suggestion of Nizam Shah. Because when Lakuji Rao Yadav was killed in the Nizam Shah's court, whose wish it was? Nizam Shah's wish. And she also accepted, faced this situation also of her father's death. Jijabai had resolved, means decided. Jijabai had decided that her son Shivaji would never be engaged, means busy. It was her decision that Shivaji's would never be busy in the service of others. He will not do the service of others. He would establish means set up, found, or create the rule of his own people, that is Swaraj. She was bringing up Shivaji with that ideal, means she was raising Shivaji with that perfection. The people living in the Mawal region were called Mawlas. They were loyal, hardworking, and quick footed. Loyal means, faithful, true, hardworking, they can work hard, and quick footed means they are very fast, very speedy, and active. No one could surpass, no one could be better than them in their hardiness, in their toughness and strength. But they were harassed. But they were who? Mawlas were troubled by whom? By the Sultan's rule. And the armies of the Sultans, what they used to do? They used to plunder their villages, means they used to steal their, rob their villages, forcing the people to abandon their places, to leave the places. Who? This Sultan's armies. They were forcing the Mawlas, they were harassing them, and they were forcing the Mawlas to leave their places, to leave their, sorry, villages. Nobody cared for them. For whom? Mawlas. But Shivaji's in, means it was Shivaji's wish to do something for this poor and miserable, means unhappy or sad people. On returning home, Shivaji would talk about this to his mother. Jijabai would say, when Shivaji used to discuss with his mother about this all thing, what Jijabai used to say to Shivaji, Shiva, Sri Ramchandra is the ancestor, means forefather of the Bhosles, and Rama killed Ravana and made his people happy. And the ancestor of Jadavs was Sri Krishna. So Krishna, what he did? He killed Kans and brought relief, comfort to the people. So you are the descendant, means you are the family of both Rama and Krishna. You can destroy the wicked, evil, or bad thing and make your subjects happy. Subjects means people. These words of Jijabai were a source of inspiration to young Shivaji. Inspiration means guiding. Shivaji Maharaj got motivated about hearing these words of his mother, and he would remember the brave deeds of hero. Brave deeds means bold act, bold performance of these heroes. Which heroes? Of the past, like Rama, Krishna, Bhima, Arjuna. He thought of them all the time, whether asleep or awake, whether he's sleeping or he's waken up. He felt that he too must fight against injustice, that is, against crime. So, as they did, and like them, destroy the wicked, bad, or evil thing and bring happiness to his people. He thought, Shivaji Maharaj thought that he should become courageous, means daring, and brave, means bold, like these heroes of old. So, this was about Veer Mata, what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji. So, here, anything you want to ask? No doubt. Very good, Siddhi. Time is up. No, beta, still time is there. Till 2:10 we have to do. No. Okay. We'll proceed further and then we'll do revision. Okay. So I shall proceed further. Children, any doubt, any meaning you want to ask me? Dandpatta Bhave already went. That was the previous topic and I've explained also. Dandpatta, iron bound bamboo stick. It is bigger than talwar and it can be bended and they tie on their wrist. So we shall move further. Last two topics. Yes, Lakshmi, what is your doubt? Lakshmi, tell me what is your doubt? Dandpatta over. Any Lakshmi, what is your doubt? No doubt. I'll move further. Omkar Kadam, what? No, miss, what you're writing? I cannot understand. I'm not getting you. Okay, we'll move further. Last two small topics are there: the new regime of Shivaji and this what? Shivaji's marriage. Okay. The new regime means that is the new rule or the new system of Shivaji. In Pune Jagir, the new rule of Shivaji began under the guidance, means under the guidance of, under the direction, who was giving direction of Jijabai. Shaji Raje had already made the preparation for this. When Shaji Raje sent Shivaji from Bangalore to Pune, he sent some very powerful and prestigious people with them. Prestigious, reputed, respectable, famous. And those people, what were their name? They were Samraj Nilkant Peshwe, Balakrishna Hanumante Mujumdar, Mankoji Dhatonde Sarnobat, Raghunath Bhalla Sabnis, Sonopant Dabir. These were all able men fit to administer an independent kingdom. Means these were all clever men, those who can fit to manage the independent kingdom. And Shaji Raje had specially deputed, means appointed them to Pune. These men who appointed Shaji Raje in Pune to help whom? to Shivaji Maharaj to govern, that is, to rule or to control his Jagir accurately, efficiently, nicely, successfully. With their help, Shivaji Maharaj began to administer, that is, began to manage his Jagir to attend the people grievances, means complaint or problem. Those who inflicted, means those who were forced injustice or crime upon the were transformation. Riot were punished. So, in a way, Shaji Raje's Jagir was undergoing a change, transformation, changing. And the Mavlas got a glimpse. Glimpse means sight or make out the future of Swaraj. It was as it were dawn of Swaraj, means beginning of Swaraj. Shivaji's marriage. In those days, people married at a very early age. So Jijamata said, we should now get Shiva married. Then a search for a suitable bride for Shiva began. Suitable means matched. And soon she found the girl she wanted, and her name was Saibai. Saibai came from the Nimbalkar family of Fulton. The marriage was celebrated with great splendor, means with great richness or glory. Miserable, sad. Miserable means unhappy or sad. Now we'll take a quick revision, okay, children? Now we'll do the quick revision. My screen is visible. Hello, my screen is visible, children. Hello, my screen was visible. I've shared. Yes, your screen is visible. I've shared fifth lesson, the document. It was seen, children. Question that lesson number 5. No? Okay. So I will ask like this only, okay? You all write the answers in your chat box, and I will not repeat now who is writing correct. I will not repeat their name. Those who are writing wrong, I will repeat their name because there is less time. Fill in the blanks. The dash was built in Pune by the orders of Shaji Raje. The dash was built in Pune by the orders of Shaji Raje. Wrong, wrong. Those who are giving, those who are writing Lal Mahal wrong. Surya Dev wrong. Everybody is writing wrong. The dash was built in Pune by the orders of Shaji Raje. Yes, Krutarth, correct. You cannot see me because I am repeating the question. Screen, I have not shared the screen. I'm asking question orally. So those who have written Vada, that is right. And those who have written Lalman and everything, that is wrong. Next question. Shivaji's education began when he became dash years old. Shivaji's education began when he became dash years old. Yes, many children are writing correct answer. The one who has written 6 year is wrong. The one who has written 6 year, 15 years, wrong answer. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Next question. By the age of dash, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and the arts. At what age he became educated? Yes. Yes, many are writing correct answer. No, Tanishk, wrong. Manoj, wrong answer. Mohammad Akib, wrong answer. Tanishk, wrong. He started his education at the age of 7 and he became educated at the age of wrong, Tanish. He completed his studies at which age? Yes, many are writing correct. He completed his studies at the age of 12. So those who have written 12, they have written correct answer. Okay, now give me this answer. Who was the Subedar of Kondana? Who was the Subedar of Kondana? Yes, correct. Krutarth. I will not repeat the name. Many are writing correct answer. Give me this question answer. Who was the Subedar of Kondana? Kondana Fort. Yes, correct, correct. Many are writing correct. Mostly all the children are writing correct answer. Tanishk, again it is wrong. Sayyid Muhammad also wrong. Devesh is worried about my time, huh? Yes, Jigisa answer is correct, but spelling. Priya wrong. My time is up, Priyanshi. You can leave if my time is up. I will also leave within 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, Atharva, you can leave. Okay, last question I will ask. Shivaji married Saibai from the Nimbalkar family of Yes, correct. Correct. Many are writing correct answer. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Spelling just see, some are writing wrong spelling. Swara spelling is wrong. Wrong spelling Swara. Sayyid Muhammad wrong. Answer is wrong. Many are writing answer correct, but few some are writing wrong spelling. Okay. So children, tomorrow is holiday, you all know, and Monday your exams are going to start. I hope you all are studying, doing well or not. Yes. So from Monday, your written and oral exam. Okay. So all the best to all my dear students. Best of luck for your exams, for all the exams. Okay. Best of luck for all your exams. Okay. After exams, we'll meet again. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Be safe. Be at home. Study well. Do well. Okay. So bye bye. Take care.